Hey, it's cleared. All right.
The National Weather Service in Huntsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern DeKalb County in northeastern Alabama, south central Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, northeastern Marshall County in northeastern Alabama until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported a severe thunderstorm producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located over Grant, or 9 miles north of Guntersville, and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Guntersville, Rainsville, Collinsville, Crossville, Sylvania, Fife, Powell, Grant, Geraldine, and Section. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Marshall.